Hey guys, you're watching Frytech channel. This is kind of an upsetting video to make. I actually wanted to present to you a video about how to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17 because iOS 18 right now is still in beta state, even though it is a released version. It's not. There's so many bugs. The battery drain is fucking insane on my iPhone 12, even though on iOS 17 it was perfect. I couldn't be happier, and then I decided to upgrade to iOS 18. And so now, after like a week and a half or maybe like 2 weeks of using this iOS 18, I decided, no, I can't do it anymore. It's too bad. And I decided to downgrade to iOS 17.7 while they still sort of signed that version, Apple. But what I discovered is that because I've made my backup, yeah, see, not lying. Because I've made a backup of my iPhone running iOS 18 before I decided to downgrade, because it was already sort of 2 weeks old. There's some stuff that accumulated there, and I just wanted to have like a fresh update. Turned out that was a mistake. And so if you are planning to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17, do not make a new backup of iOS 18, because Apple says, fuck you, we're not gonna allow you to actually downgrade and then restore from your local backup, from like iOS 18 backup, because it says that, yeah, basically says fuck you. That's what it says. It's a one-way road only. You can only upgrade up, and that's how they boost their fucking numbers. Even if people are disappointed, even if people don't like it, there is no easy way to downgrade. And even if you downgrade, like right now you can downgrade, but then you cannot restore all your files because it just says like, yeah, fuck you, essentially. That's what it says. That's so upsetting that once great company that did pride itself on like usability, like great sort of simple features and everything just working and ease of use and sort of absence of bugs and glitches and things like that, like mostly anyway, obviously with any software you will have some problems. Now it's just a complete shit show. Released version of iOS 18 looks and feels and is essentially a beta version. There are all of the features that Apple have promised, like big features, are completely missing. Fucking shitty Photos app redesigned is garbage. Keyboard input and animations is laggy as fuck. It's just all shit, and you cannot even downgrade down to a fucking normal version. I mean, you can technically downgrade, but you can't fucking use your phone because start anew, Apple says. This is insane. I just like the whole video I was making today was about, yeah, just the path, how to downgrade and all of that stuff. But no, now I'm making a completely different version. Now again, I'm making a video where I'm shitting on Apple, because literally nobody at Apple cares anymore about actual users, about their experiences. Nobody. There is not a fucking person who says like, wait, okay, I didn't like this, let me downgrade. Okay, I downgraded. Why the fuck can't I use my backup? My local fucking backup on my machine. Just because I went one version up. So what? It's the same fucking system. It looks the same. It feels shittier, iOS 18 that is. Underneath, it's all fucking the same. And yet they changed one string somewhere to iOS 18, and now you cannot downgrade. What a fucking bunch of shithead dickheads Apple is. Fucking insane. Fucking insane. Now I start to understand more and more Louis Rossmann's disdain to Apple, because he had to fucking deal with their bullshittery on like a logic board level fucking years, more than a decade probably at this point. I'm doing this kind of more of a surface level, and even here it's like fucking morons at Apple, fucking despicable cunts who are doing everything to screw people over. At the very top, fucking your Tim Cooks and whatever CEOs, they're just being greedy fucks who are doing all these buybacks and charging fucking $800 for base model of phones, and then fucking releasing MacBooks Pros with 8 gigs of RAMs. And on this level, fucking software teams are fucking garbage because they can't give you normal good fucking user experience. It's just sad. It's just not turtles all the way down. It's just fuckery, bullshittery, garbage all the way down at Apple right now. Amazing fucking job, Apple. Amazing fucking job. Your user experience is top fucking notch. If I can rate it, 10 fucking stars any day of the week. Good fucking job. Amazing experience. Amazing experience. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to Frytech. Bye.